Hey everyone, so today we're unboxing the super popular DYU A5 electric bike. So let's get on with it. So here I am, let's get this box opened. Let's have a look inside. Here's the bike all folded. It's come really well packaged. Upon inspection there's no damage or anything, so let's get all the parts off and everything and cut all the straps off. I'm liking the look of this bike already. I can't actually believe it. It's a pretty good bike. In fact, it's more than a pretty good bike. It's a really good bike. So here we are. We've got to get all the plastic off now, and let's get the handlebars up and the seat on. Right, it's just all you got to do is just pull it up, and it just clips into place, and then that lever just snaps into place. Very simple. You just get the seat to get all the packaging off again. Same with this. It's a quick release like what you see on bikes for wheels. It just simply clips into place the seat, and you just slide it down, and then you just get it to your desired setting, and then you just turn the screw, and then it just clips into place again. Very simply done. I lined it up with everything, make sure it's done right. The seat is so comfortable. It's actually got a suspension in the seat, and when I sat on it, it's really comfortable, and the suspension on the front as well. But yeah, we'll open this box. Inside we've got the pedals, it's got the charger, it's got the little toolkit what you get to put everything together as well, and your warranty and instructions are in there as well. I'll show you them in a second. Just cutting everything open. So that was your instructions there. There's your charger. There's the toolkit. Look, it's like a it's got all the Allen keys and everything that you need to put the bike together. And there's the pedals. Now if you look, it actually says on the pedals left and right. I made the mistake actually at first, putting the left in the right and the right in the left, and they wouldn't screw in, of course. But yeah, it just simply screws into place, and then you've got the tool inside. You can see it there, it just slots on. You just tighten it up. There's the right hand one done. We'll get the left hand one. There's the left hand. Just same again, just screws in, and then you just nip it up. Now you have to connect that to the battery before you do anything. Make sure, do not forget that, because it won't be connected. Now we've got the charger. Now when I did charge it, it took around 3 hours to fully charge, because the battery was pretty empty. But you just open that slot there, and it just clips straight into place, and then just leave it charging until it turns green. And there you have it, the DYU A5. So we'll go take it for a test drive now, so keep your eyes out. Take it out for a ride, and let's see how it performs. Cheers everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe.